Carquest Premium Hub Assemblies are manufactured by leading global OE and OES manufacturers. A fully automated production line handles material inspection, forging, heat treatment, tempering, turning and drilling, inspection, and assembly to ensure a durable, reliable part. Each part is made from high-quality steel that is heat-treated to ensure OE performance. An obsidian E-coating provides enhanced rust and corrosion prevention for a longer life. Hub assemblies are designed for each specific application. Roll-form bearing design applies exact preload for increased durability where applicable. Seals are engineered to the requirements of each specific application. Superior ABS sensors provide matching signals and enhance cord insulation for durability. Each Carquest Premium Hub Assembly is tested through the assembly line to meet OE specifications and provide the OE standard for reliability and durability. Multiple tests are conducted to ensure long-lasting performance. Bearings are tested to ensure extended service life, and flanges are tested for run-out and fatigue endurance. We also conduct a 100% ABS signal check to ensure proper functionality. Each hub assembly receives a final inspection for 100% quality and accuracy and comes with a 3-year warranty. Carquest Premium Hub Assemblies are engineered for superior performance, manufactured from high-quality materials, and designed to match the OE specifications for fit, form, and function. Choose Carquest Premium Hub Assemblies for a dependable, long-lasting repair.